Even though we've all pretty much seen the Jeep Gladiator, it's still exciting to finally see the officially unveiled pickup truck. And it does indeed look like a simple Wrangler pickup. It has fully removable soft and hard tops, doors and a folding windshield. The doors are the same as the Wrangler Unlimited's. It has round headlights, chunky fender flares and nearly the same interior. But it's more than that, blending much of the beloved SUV with some unique features for the pickup truck. The Gladiator has some impressive towing and payload numbers. Maximum towing capacity is 7,650 pounds. That's 150 pounds more than the next best gas-powered truck in this segment, the Ford Ranger. Maximum payload capacity is 1,600 pounds, which isn't the highest in the segment, but falls right in the range of the Ford Ranger and Chevy Colorado gas models. The bed is 5 feet long and is made of steel with an aluminum tailgate. It has various tie-down points and power outlets. Regarding the towing and payload numbers, it should be noted that the top towing capacity is only available on a sport trim with the 3.6-liter V6, 8-speed automatic and 4.10 final drive ratio. For the maximum payload, you need a sport trim Gladiator with 3.6-liter engine, 6-speed manual and 3.73 final drive ratio. Though the sport trims have the most potential for carrying stuff, they're not the only ones available. Sport and Sport S round out the bottom of the range, followed by the more luxury-oriented Overland trim, which fills the space of the Wrangler's Sahara trim. This trim adds body color fender flares and LED headlights, along with some extra standard equipment. At the top of the range is the Rubicon, which, like its Wrangler counterpart, adds loads of off-road equipment. Among the features are shorter gearing, standard wider axles, electronic locking front and rear differentials, electronic anti-roll bar disconnect, Fox monotube shocks, 33-inch tires, a front-mounted trail camera for seeing over hills, and raised fender flares in case you want to upgrade to 35-inch tires. The Rubicon adds an off-road rear bumper and steel rocker guards that run between the wheels and along the bed's overhang. This will be handy since we've seen how the bed can drag off-road. The Gladiator will go on sale in the second quarter of 2019. Pricing hasn't been announced yet, but we expect base prices will be higher than equivalent Wranglers. More details, including fuel economy, will likely come in the next few months leading up to the on-sale date.